In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Excel. Let's dive straight into the process of adding a column to our Excel spreadsheet. But before we get into the steps, it's important to note that we will be utilizing the Microsoft 365 online version of Excel for this tutorial. This version allows you to access and edit Excel documents right from your browser, which is incredibly convenient for those who are always on the go or don't have the Excel application installed on their device. First things first, you'll need to access the Microsoft 365 online. To do so, navigate to the official Microsoft 365 webpage. Once there, you will see an option to sign in. Click on the sign in button to proceed. This is a necessary step to ensure that you can access your Excel documents or create a new one. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process and doesn't take much time. After signing in, it's time to locate your Excel document. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using an example document. If you're following along, feel free to use an existing document or create a new one to practice. The beauty of working with Excel online is that changes are saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Now let's get to the part why you're here. Adding a column. Find the column next to where you want your new column to appear. It's important to choose wisely because if you add a column on the right, it will push any adjacent data further right and vice versa. Once you have selected the appropriate column, go ahead and right click on the column header. The column header is the letters at the top of the column. Right clicking will open a context menu with various options. Look for the option that says Insert. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see additional choices pop up. Here, you need to decide whether you want to add the column to the left or right of your selected column. For this tutorial, go ahead and click on Insert Column Left. Voila. You should now see a brand new blank column appear to the left of the column you initially selected. It's as simple as that. You can repeat this process to add as many columns as you need. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your Excel experience. If you're working on a particularly large data set, keyboard shortcuts can be a real time saver. For example, Ctrl+Z to undo a mistake, or Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for copy and paste are fundamental shortcuts that work in Excel Online just as they do in the desktop version. Also, consider using the fill function to quickly populate data across multiple cells in your new column. In conclusion, adding a column in Excel Online is a quick and straightforward process that can significantly impact how you organize and analyze data. Whether you're working with financial data, event planning, or simply keeping track of personal projects, mastering these simple Excel functionalities can enhance your spreadsheet management skills. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Excel is a powerful tool with endless possibilities, and learning to maneuver your way through it can make your work or personal projects much more organized and efficient. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more functionalities to improve your Excel skills. That's all for today, folks. If you found this tutorial useful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful content. Happy excelling!